Hi, I'm Ace with MMI. We're here today with a 3,200 square foot house with 2 AC systems. We're gonna do some deep cleaning over here and get this house ready for breathing. Before we go inside in any home, we gotta put some shoe covers. We don't wanna track in on anything that we don't wanna bring in our own homes. So with every house, we open up all the vents and check out the insides of them. We also go upstairs and check out your system, do a full inspection, make sure everything's connected correctly and there's no issues with your ducts. This is our negative pressure vacuum machine. This right here will suck all the debris out of your HVAC system, all that ductwork. It's got a lot of dust and hair and all that kind of stuff inside there. I'm just gonna pull it all right out. With every home, we make sure it's always clean. We got carpets underneath our machine so it doesn't stain your beautiful home, as well as your bed. We make sure not a single dust lays on your bed. And Jerry's gonna go up there, gonna connect this to the entrance, and it's gonna suck everything right out of it. Non-toxic dry fog solution to be able to treat the systems on the inside of the HVACs and be able to clean up areas where we don't have to wipe down. This kills 99.99% of all bacteria in your system.